In this short video, I will tell you how to enhance user experience by helping them drill through pages in Power BI effortlessly.
Hello everyone, I will walk you through how to drill through pages. There is a standard function in Power BI called drill through, which allows us to navigate between different dimensions. But personally, I'd rather like to utilize parameters. Let's drill through the pages. So our topic today is slightly different than the standard drill through in Power BI. Let me show you. I have the first page here, which is a chart. And this chart has different parameters already that would allow me to drill through. In addition to that, I have one page called table. What I would like to do is to let end user drill through between these two pages with better user experience. How do we do that? First, we create full bookmarks. In the first page, under View, select Bookmarks. Open the Bookmark panel on the right. Add New Bookmark. I will call this bookmark Net Working Capital Chart. Similarly, I close the table. Name it Net Working Capital Table. With this two table ready, I will go to the first page. In this page, I would like to give the end user visibility and flexibility to go to the table. First, insert a button. There are different buttons to choose from. I will first use blank button. Move the button here and continue to edit the button in format, style. This one I call Go to Table. White color. Reduce the padding. Normally, you do not need the padding in order to save space. The background color. I choose navy blue to increase the contrast. Transparency. The border. Choose white to make it pop up. All right, now the first button is created. With the first button, go to table selected. Active action under format. Action, add bookmark. Bookmark, net working capital table. Let's test. Hold Control key. Click Go to Table. This will direct us to the network working capital table page. As easy as that. Well, I could see the table. We need to give the end user flexibility to go back to charts easily. Let's create another button for that. Choose different shapes. Repeat the same step. Go back to chart. Reduce the paddings to save the space. View. Navy blue to create contrast. Reduce the transparent. White border. All right, now the second button is ready. Select the button. In the format, activate action. Add bookmark. This time, net working capital chart. Let's test.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you find the information useful. I'm Jennifer, analytic expert who love BI tools.